The Votary Super Skin Kit is a 5-step routine containing everything you need to nurture and nourish your skin back to glowing health. So, what does the kit contain? I'm going to open it up and show you. Every kit comes with a leaflet that explains to you how to use the products in a really easy 5-step routine. The first product is the Votary Super Seed Cleansing Oil. This is our most nourishing cleansing oil. It contains the 21 super seed oils in a really nourishing, nurturing base. So you can apply that to the skin, you can leave it on for a few minutes. I like to pop it on, leave it for 5-10 minutes while I'm in the bath. Really let those oils treat and nourish the skin at the same time as cleansing. Because it's Votary, you get a full-size face cloth to use with your cleansing oil, so you can have a really lovely steam and really lift all the dirt and grime of the day away from your face. The next step in the routine, step 2, is the Radiance Mask. This is our newest mask. It's a lactic and mandelic mask. It is fragrance-free, and it is a really great way for sensitive skin types to try acid exfoliation. So you apply that to the skin, all over the face and the neck, leave it for anywhere from 5 to 15 minutes, and how long really depends on your skin type and your sensitivity. I can leave it for 15 minutes, but if you're a bit more sensitive, you might only want to do 5. And in terms of how often you use it, you could use that twice a week or every night if your skin is happy with that. Step 3 is your serum stage. And of course, this is the Votary Super Seed Serum. This is our peptide serum, and it's incredibly cooling and soothing on the skin. It really helps rebuild and repair the skin. So if your skin barrier is a little bit compromised, the Super Seed Serum is a brilliant one for bringing your skin back to health. The next step is your oil stage, and it is the Super Seed Facial Oil, the 21 Super Seed Oil blend that is fragrance free. It is super nourishing and nurturing on the skin, and you just simply smooth that all over the skin. If you've got time, spend a couple of minutes massaging that in. So your last step is the Super Seed Nutrient Cream, and you apply this on top of your lovely Super Seed Facial Oil to really seal that in and make sure your moisture retention is at the maximum level. I apply it to my skin just before I head out or as a primer under makeup, because even though it's a very rich and nourishing cream, it actually goes matte onto the skin, so it's a brilliant primer for wearing under makeup. So that is the Votary Super Skin Kit. I really hope it helps your skin. If you have any questions, get in touch with us anytime. skincare@votary.co.uk. Take care.